Alright, we're putting together our last drive. Just open this real quick. Okay. Out of the box. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Alright, I'll set this down for a second. Open these up. Alright. Grab our tray, our trusty tray. We've seen this many times before now. Let's see, up there. Okay. There's one. There's two, kind of. There we go. Just gotta get it going. Just trying to beat my times, you know. Trying to do this a little bit faster. And you time how much it takes you to do it, and then you factor that in as your labor if you have a business. So you're like, oh, it took me, you know, 1 minute and 30 seconds to put together a drive or something. You factor that, like, you figure 45 minutes out of an hour is, you know, however many drives. 45 divided by 1, almost 40, I guess. Probably less than that. 30, 40 drives an hour. Alright. My math's not very good right now. This one doesn't want to go in. This just feels weird. Feels weird. Stop. Because you can get yourself in trouble. Things aren't lining up. Alright, something's not right. Everything's in too far. As I said in the first video, I don't like to tighten them too tight, and I think I got ahead of myself, so no big deal. Let's try this. This was the one that was jammed. Oh. Well, it's just kind of working through something there. I don't know. Alright, but we're in. I think if they're not tight enough, your drives won't slide properly into the trays, but what do I know? I'm learning with you. Alright. There we go. 4 drives. Alright, I'm gonna set this down. Reposition the camera to the front so we can put these in, and yeah.